Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So today in this video I'm gonna answer all your questions that you guys asked me in the comment section and some other common questions that you should know before joining Multimedia. And yeah, make sure you guys watch this video till the end because this video will really gonna be very helpful and very informative for you guys. And I also added one announcement, or not announcement, but it's something that I want to share to you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you guys watch it till the end, okay? So yeah, the most common question that you guys asked me is which coaching institute you guys should join for the preparation of IMGCT. The first thing, yes, I did join a coaching institute for preparation of IMGCT that is in my city only, Ajmer, and I must say I don't recommend you to join any coaching for the preparation of IMGCT because what I think is at the end moment you have to study by yourself only, no matter what coaching institute you are joining. Because मैंने भी coaching join किया था, but at the end moment जब एक ही महीना बचा था before IMGCT exam, I studied by myself only. And या लास्ट में हम लोग यूट्यूब ही चूज़ करते हैं, चैट जीपीटी एंड गूगल ही चूज़ करते हैं पढ़ने के लिए. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस कि इट्स वेस्ट ऑफ मनी टू फ्रॉम माई साइड. And yeah, there is no recommendation from my side कि you should join this coaching institute or this coaching institute. Basically, all you guys need for IMGCT and for sponsorship exams is 11-12 basics, aptitude, English, and geography. And I must say, you guys should pay more attention on aptitude, mathematics, and grammar because normally most of these sponsorship exams contain the questions related to aptitude and English only. All you need is to keep yourself updated for the syllabus and the paper pattern, and you can get it from YouTube and from Google, and you can visit the official website also. That is more safer, I guess. Yeah, so that's it for this question. So the next question is, how's the food in Tolani? Overall it is good, no doubt, but you know, if you eat the same thing for months then you will get bored easy. So the first month था मेरा college का नया उस time I enjoyed the food, फिर मैं बोर हो गई थी, and after that I started skipping meals and फिर बाहर से order करना. And yeah, I must advise you guys जिन्होंने अभी recently college join किया है या फिर future में college join करेंगे, I must advise you try your best not to skip meals because first thing, it will be really hard once you get your habit, it will be hard for you to get rid of it. And second thing, it will really cause you many health problems too. Like अभी recently मैंने medical कराया था तो मेरा hemoglobin low आया था because of it. So yeah, I must advise you guys not to skip your meals in college, okay? And yeah, that's it. So yeah, the next question is how to get admission in TMI. तो या आई मस्ट से कि इसके रिलेटेड जो भी आपको डाउट्स है ना, उसका ऑलमोस्ट सारे क्वेश्चंस एक्चुअली ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है TMI की, उस पर अवेलेबल है FAQ के अंदर. ऑलमोस्ट सारे क्वेश्चन, मतलब मैं ये वीडियो बना रही थी उससे पहले मैं उसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे गई और मैंने देखा कि FAQ के अंदर सारे क्वेश्चंस है और उनके सारे आंसर्स हैं. तो आई मस्ट रिकमेंड कि यू गाइज गो थ्रू दैट वेबसाइट फर्स्ट. And still, if you have any doubts, you can always ask me in the comment section. And yeah, I would like to share my story. जब मैंने TMI का ऑनलाइन टेस्ट दिया था तो उसके काफ़ी टाइम बाद में रिजल्ट आया था, तो आई थॉट कि सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ है. बट जब मेरिट लिस्ट आई थी, फर्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट निकली थी, तब उसमें मेरा नेम नहीं था. लाइक आई चेक्ड इट 2-3 times, बट मेरा नेम नहीं था, तो आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं हुआ है. बट उसके फिर कुछ दिन बाद में सेकंड मेरिट लिस्ट आई थी और उसमें फिर मेरा नेम था, तो या I was so happy. So that was my case. So the next question is how I cleared my college exams. Well, obviously I used to study one night before the exam. Yeah. To be very honest, it is fun कि एक रात पहले पढ़ो फिर बिना खाए बिना सोए जाके एग्जाम दे के आ जाओ. Like we used to get like 3 or 4 days preparation leaves before one exam in semester 1. And that time like वो हॉलीडेज हम लोग ऐसे ना वेकेशन जैसे निकाल देते थे और फिर पढ़ते लास्ट में एक रात पहले ही थे. तो नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर 2 में तो हमें फिर लीव्स मिली नहीं, प्रिपरेशन लीव्स मिली नहीं, फिर कंटिन्यूस एग्जाम्स थे. एंड स्टिल वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी वन नाइट बिफोर ओनली. लाइक पूरे दिन हम लोग नहीं पढ़ते थे और एक रात में ही पढ़ने बैठते. I secured 80% in both of my semesters. So मैं एक रात पहले पढ़ के 80% सिक्योर कर सकती हूँ. तो what's the need of कि पहले से पढ़ो. But again I advise you कि it's not good for your health कि बिना खाए बिना सो जाके एग्जाम देना. Yeah. So okay, let's move to the next question now. So yeah, the next question is how to get sponsored by Tom. So yeah, Tom conduct PI cognitive assessment. Yeah, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि you have to answer some questions like there's 30 questions in 20 minutes or 25 minutes. ऐसे एक particular time होता है कितने time में तुम्हें ये सारे questions खत्म करने हैं ऐसा. I don't know exactly. I'll confirm it once and we'll add it somewhere here. PI cognitive assessment में mostly questions aptitude के related होते हैं and you can search on YouTube for PI cognitive assessment for Tom Tankers and you will get videos there and you can practice those questions because बहुत similar questions ही पूछे जाते हैं उधर से. मैंने भी उधर से किया था. So this one is really I must say really helpful क्योंकि मेरे लिए काफ़ी helpful था. तो you must go and search on YouTube for it. Okay. And for interview, in technical part you should prepare for your physics. Yeah, they mostly ask the questions related to physics only. Like technical part is not predictable, not at all. So I can't say particular कि you should do that or that. So but yeah, for non-technical I must say कि you guys should answer the questions honestly. The questions that were asked for me was what you will do if you get harassed on board, and if you are tired, so what you will choose, to take rest or to complete your task, and yeah, why you want to join merchant navy, and how I will manage on board if I'm introvert. So these are the questions that they asked me in non-technical part. I don't remember any other question now. And please don't give the answers like adventurous life hoti hai for money. Please don't give these answers there. It won't help you. And yeah, one more important thing for the interview is कि not for only Tom Tankers but for every company जिसका भी तुम इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो, उससे पहले मेक श्योर कि तुम उसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे जाओ एंड डू गेट सम लिटिल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट योर कंपनी. फॉर टॉम you should score like 80+% you should have in 12th PCM, because if you have good percentage you will get like there will be high chances for you to get selected by Tom, and even you will get easily selected for good companies if you have good percentage in your 12th PCM. So yeah, that was one point that I wanted to add. Yeah, let's move to the next part now. This question, I literally gave a lot of thoughts to this one. What is the weird thing that I did in college? I tried my best to think something weird that I did in college, but I literally could not find anything. But yeah, there are some things that I experienced for the first time when I came to college. The first thing is travel by train. I traveled for the first time by train after coming to college, and that too local trains. I was like, the first time when I tried local trains in Pune, and that too in afternoon, I was like, damn. It was too crowded. Yeah, after that, now I'm used to it now. And what else? There are so many foods that I tried for the first time after coming to college. The first one is dosa. I think so many of you will be surprised, but yeah, मैंने उससे पहले डोसा कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था. कॉलेज आने के बाद में आई ट्राई डोसा एंड दैट टू मेस वाला संडे को जो हमें मिलता था. एंड yeah, what else? I could not find anything weird that I did in college. Yeah, there was one funny moment. One time, like we used to have a room inspection. So हम लोगों को पेटी रख पहन के रहना होता था रूम इंस्पेक्शन के टाइम में। तो हमारा उस टाइम लाइक रूम इंस्पेक्शन नहीं होने वाला था, तो मैं और मेरी रूममेट्स ने फेस पैक लगा लिया था, वो चारकोल ब्लैक वाला। तो हमारे चेहरे से पूरे काले थे। और फिर बाद में वार्डन ने हमारा सरप्राइज रूम इंस्पेक्शन लिया था। तो लाइक द मोमेंट दे एंटर्ड एंड सॉ आवर फेसेस एंड एवरीवन वाज लाफिंग एंड वी वर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट कि हम लोग नहीं हंसे, क्योंकि जिनको पता है वो फेस पैक लगाने से अगर हंसते करते तो रिंकल्स आ जाते हैं। तो मेरी रूममेट ने बोला था, आई डोंट नो। तो या, so that was I don't think that is weird. I think it's a funny movement. Yeah, so that's it. I think I literally gave a lot of thought, but I could not find anything weird. So yeah, that's it. So many of you guys asked me about my company, my course, and my rank in Amnesty, and even my percentage in board. So yeah, my company, I'm sponsored by Tom Tankers, and course is DNS, Diploma in Nautical Science. That is a 1-year course from TMI. And my rank in IUCT, I don't exactly remember. It was 3000 something. And my percentage in board exam, I don't think it is necessary to ask, but okay. My percentage in 12th board was 86%. Yeah. So let's move to the next question now. So yeah, these are the questions that you guys mostly asked me in the comment section. And now I want to add some questions from my side. The first one is the difference between DNS and BSc. I know basically you know the basic difference between them, but like for me, there were some moments where I thought that I should have gone for BSc. Like there were 2 points. First one is that for good like to experience more college life, क्योंकि एक साल कब निकल जाता पता भी नहीं चलता. And the second thing is you like BSc students get sponsored by really good companies like CPIT, BW, Carnival, and Stena, and many more. The basic difference is कि BSc is a 3-year course and DNS is a 1-year course. And if you want to experience good college life, then you should go for a BSc. And if you are like I want to go on board as early as possible and I want to earn as soon as possible, then you can go for DNS. And if you have enough money to spend on college, then you can definitely go for BSc. And if you think no, I don't want to spend much money on college, then you can definitely go for DNS. So these are the basic difference between them. So the next question is, how was my experience in TMI? So to be very honest, अगर मैं अच्छे से बताऊँ तो I can make a separate video for it. But in short, I must say it was really amazing, and that 1 year was the best year of my life till yet. Like I enjoyed Horizon and Fresher Party the most. In TMI actually conducts a lot of events, especially in sports. Like एक event खत्म हुआ फिर दूसरा. And the campus itself is so beautiful. So yeah, it was really a good experience in TMI. And I must say कि अगर मुझे अभी भी अगर like if I get a chance कि फिर से college करना हो, so I will go for TMI. Yeah. Let's move to the next question now. So the next question is getting into merchant navy easy for girls? Well, in college also, when I was in college, so many people used to say it's easy for girls to get into merchant navy, but to be very honest, for me it wasn't, because I felt anxious and nervous at every point, from giving IMUCT exam to giving the interview for my company. And especially for the companies like Tom Tankers, they don't do any partiality on the basis of gender. They don't do any selection on the basis of gender. Just because you're a girl, you will get selected. No. Because I was the only girl sponsored by Tom in TMI. And the procedure is same for girls and boys. Yeah, few companies do take girls over boys because of less number of girls in this field, but a lot of girls are getting into merchant navy, so it is competitive for them too. When in college, there is no partiality between girls and boys, because हमारे time में भी college में if I was late, like if any girl was late for the lecture, they get the same punishment as boys. हमको भी push-ups मारने होते थे, और like there's no partiality, no mercy on girls. Okay, yeah, there are some exceptions where some faculties or get a bit easy on girls. Yeah, it is true, but still, on board also you have girls have to do the same work that the boys will be going to do. So I don't think you should say ki it's easy for girls. It's not. So the last question is things you should know before joining Mercenary. So I'll be honest. I'll be very honest to this part. So first thing, if you guys get pampered at your home, I must say you should get out of that comfortable zone, because you can't say ki no, I can't do that work, even if you're on board or if you're in college. Like, you can make excuses, because you should be responsible for your work. Okay, no matter whatever the work is, maybe your responsibility is related to the events or in the college, anything. So in college also, the schedule is pretty hectic, like getting early in the morning, going for the PT, then college, back to hostel, and then going for the practice if any event is there. Or you have to study in everything, and you have study R2 and masters also. The most important thing in this field is be honest. झूठ बोलने से तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होने वाली है. So in this field, it is better for you to be honest and accept your mistakes and work on them. And what else you should know? In this part, I can only tell you about the college, because अभी तो मैं on board गई नहीं हूँ. But yeah, when I will go, then I will give you more gyan on this topic. So yeah, these are the questions that I prepared. And yeah, now जो भी अभी तक मेरी वीडियो देख रहा है, first of all, thank you so much. I really appreciate a lot. And now, yeah, I want to share you guys that I'll be soon joining my first ship, and I'm really excited for that. And yeah, a little bit nervous too, obviously. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video helped you to clear your doubts. But still, if you have any doubt or any question, you can drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. Yeah, so thanks for watching. You know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.